sit down by the fire.
Kalau pala hiatu, ko ako kanililo waye. Ono e taha aku. I play river rugby for Freiburg under 7s. My favorite thing about river rugby is running with the ball and ripping tags. To play rugby, you'll need one of these. Bolo lakapi, rugby ball. And you also need to be super fast. These are some skills you'll need to play the game. Passe e polo, passing the ball. Hold the ball with 2 hands, look where you're passing and pass it sideways. Like this? Don't pass like this. Sideways. Another skill is stiffing, so then the other team doesn't rip your tags. Check this out. No, you didn't. I tagged you. And no, you didn't. Another skill is silly, kicking. Another skill is hapu, catch. When catching, eyes on the ball, hands up, and get ready to catch. Name somebody on your team who has butterfingers. Haputo. Finish up this video. We're gonna see who's the fastest. You're gonna lose. Yeah. Who won the race? We're gonna finish off with some stretches. Thank you for watching. Fakulahi koi kia.